Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this everyday summer makeup look. You can carry this look on daily basis when you go for office or college, and this is totally oil free and it is long lasting. So do watch this video till end. Guys, liked and enjoyed this video. If you find this look helpful, do let me know in the comment section below and also share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. See you next time. Bye.